Welcome to our new science unit. During the next few weeks, we will be studying environmental science. The environment is the area surrounding living things. This is a map of the gray area. The gray area has a problem. Fish there have been dying off in large numbers. Here are some facts about the gray area mystery. About 1,000 fish per year have died during each of the last 5 years. Most of the dead fish have washed up on the shores near Synchrony City. The people who live in the gray area are bothered by the bad smell and are worried that the dead fish might mean that something is wrong with their environment. Autopsies have been ordered on samples of dead fish from all bodies of water, but the results will not be back for at least 1 month. Your job as a detective is to figure out what is killing the fish in the gray area. You will need to conduct tests, do research, and then compile your data to attempt to solve this mystery. You will not only need to be scientists, but also environmental detectives. With your group, answer the following questions to help lead your initial investigation. What are the needs of the fish? Looking at the map, what kinds of factors in the gray area environment might affect their needs? How might a large fish kill affect other living things and the rest of the environment? How might you find information to figure out what's going on in the gray area? What do you think might be killing the fish?